Okay, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to talk about gas. No, it's not the kind out of the, shall we just say, the plumbing at the bottom of the body. We're talking about stealth gas here. Now, the company reported that they were increasing their buyback, their share buyback program. It's only 10 million bucks, like not a big deal, but the market sure thought that, and the average volume for this stock is only like 250,000 shares. Actually, more than that. You see, it's 183,000. So it's not super liquid, but you can see how the stock, once it broke out back here from this consolidation, we'll get it back here. Okay, the stock had been trading here very illiquid, just not trading that much. And then as the stock starts jumping up, it starts here, and then it just continues to move on this heavy volume. So it's been kind of consolidating a little bit here, relatively low volume, relative compared to the average, the 20-day moving average. And then just today, bam, it's starting the next leg up. So I like this stock right here. I wished I'd owned it yesterday, but I didn't. So what I would suggest doing on this one is watch it, wait it. I wouldn't buy this right at the open. Look, it's only a share buyback. It's not like they discovered, like they took Jed Clampett onto their board, and now they're all full of bubbling crude and stuff. So let the stock kind of settle out a little bit. However, I will say this, if the stock jumps above this high here on this day of 590, if it pops above 590, then you got yourself a bona fide breakout and you want to buy it. Best thing for this stock would be for it to kind of pull back a little bit, and then we look for a nice move higher. So anyway, that's all I got for you. If you are interested in learning how to trade better, why don't you come over and try what's basically a free trial. You got to pay $7, but check it out for 14 days. And my bet is at the end of 14 days, whether you stick around or not, you're gonna be a better trader. I'll just leave it to you, okay? All right, you guys have a great weekend.